Hey guys, today I thought I would show my face because I have some cool news. I recently got over 6,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel, so I'm really excited about that. And I wanted to thank you guys for subscribing, for liking my videos and commenting and suggesting things. So I'm going to be doing a giveaway, so stay tuned for that video. Also wanted to thank my husband for supporting me, encouraging me to start doing videos, and helping me, buying me new equipment, and all of those things. So thank all of you guys. And the next thing is I was contacted by Arteza. They wanted to know if they could send me products to try and review. So of course I said yes. So the first thing that I got is a box of 36 metallic colors. And then the second thing, this is kind of heavy, is a box of 14 acrylic colors. And I also got a box. This one has 4x4 little canvas, and then they have little easels with them. And if you've seen a couple of my other videos, you know that I really like the small canvas. They're really cute. Put them just in a small place, or you know, if you want just a pop of color somewhere, those are really good to have, you know, just to have a original piece of art or a unique piece of art. Also, they're going to be sending me I think 18 by 24 canvas. I just haven't gotten those yet. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take the paints out of the box and then give you guys a closer up look. Alright, sit tight. Okay guys, so here's all the paints. I'm going to take you in for a close-up. Quite a few different colors. There's a lot of colors that I've never used before, so I'm super excited about that. And I just love metallic colors anyway, so this will be fun to use all of these. And then I've also got the regular acrylic colors over here. So you guys make sure you stay tuned for my videos using these paints, and also my upcoming video on my giveaway. So you'll want to make sure you watch that to know how to enter. Alright, and thank you guys again for liking my videos and subscribing. Alright, have a great day.